Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Sam and I would love to have you guys subscribe so you won't miss out on any new videos. So today I'm super excited to be doing a Target haul. I feel like I haven't done like a haul in a little while. So I recently have been going to like Target here and there and just picking up a bunch of random things. This isn't totally hygiene or beauty or whatnot. It's just a bunch of random things. So that is what this video is. I'm super excited. So why don't we go ahead and get started. So the first thing I picked up, I did end up getting the Gillette Venus Comfort Glide White Tea the Blanc razor. I just thought the packaging was so freaking cute, and I believe I had a coupon for it through the Target Circle app. You guys should definitely download that. You save some money. And yeah, it comes with two extra like razor blade heads, and it has like one of the actual razors. So yeah, it's also a 3-blade razor, which I like to use for my legs, my arms, and whatnot. I think it's perfect, and I love like white tea scents, so I'm about to really be excited to use this. Like, this packaging is just so cute, so yeah. Another thing I picked up was a new hairbrush. My hairbrush, this was my old one. It's really like gross and old, and I just really needed to pick up some new ones. So I got this beautiful blue one, and I like that this one is a little bit more structured bristles because it actually like detangles my hair, which always gets tangly. I love this. It's like 10 bucks, and I just love Wet Brush, that brand, because it really does detangle your hair, and I feel like it doesn't tug and pull on your hair as much, so I love to use them. Next thing that I picked up is a little cleaning product. I've been really into like cleaning products, so let me know if you guys want to see like my cleaning product favorites. First off, I have this Febreze Unstoppables Touch fabric spray. This thing is so good. I love the scent of Unstoppable so much. I just think the smell of it is so refreshing and like clean laundry, and I love that type of smell for my room. I also have these in the Febreze plug-in, so I highly recommend those if you like the scent. This is perfect for like your bedding or your pillows or just in the air and your rugs, your couch, whatever it is. I think it's perfect for that, and I especially like to use this like once I do my cleaning, and afterwards I'll just spritz this all over the place, and it makes your room just smell super good. I wash my sheets, I would say like every 2 or 3 weeks, so in between those weeks I will just go ahead and spray this just to give it a nice refreshing smell sort of thing. And yeah, I highly recommend this. Please pick this up. They have a bunch of other scents if you don't like the Unstoppables, but yeah. Next thing I picked up were some Pacifica Eye Bright Under Eye Patches. This was just because I was honestly not feeling the greatest when I went to Target and bought these, and I wanted something to kind of relax me and have a little pamper night. Honestly, you guys, these days, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I haven't been doing the greatest mentally. I feel like I've just been going through some personal things, and been feeling really overwhelmed with my life. I feel like 22 is just such a confusing year for all of those, like for those of you guys who are post-grad. This is turning into a weird rant, but yeah, I just have been confused in life, and I was just stressing about my future, my career, and whatnot, so I picked these up to make me feel better. And I didn't even get to use them that day, but I'm going to use these tonight. I'm really excited. They are a little pricey, but I think treat yourself, you know? Another thing I picked up while I was treating myself were these slippers. These are by Stars Above, and they are my favorite slippers. I have them in white, but these ones are kind of old, so I wanted a new pair, and I cannot find these at every Target. Sometimes I can find them and sometimes I can't find them at all, so please pick these up for house slippers. They are the most comfortable slippers you will ever feel in your entire life. They feel like literal pillows on your feet, and I'm obsessed. Like, I do really like this cheetah print too, and I got a size medium. Another cleaning product that I got was this Woolite Carpet and Upholstery Stainless Technology little carpet cleaner. It's like really disgusting because there's a lot of hair in it, but I have a little rug right here and sometimes it gets a little dingy. So I'm trying to like use this to like kind of get out any of the stains. Overall, I think it's okay. I don't think I would repurchase it, but you know, it's good to have if maybe, I think this would be especially good if you had like a couch where maybe you have like pets and stuff like that, or maybe you're just like a messy eater and you spill on like your light colored couch. It would be great to get that out. Also, I should try that for my car too because I have some stains in my car seats. So yeah. Next up are some hair products. So I went to pick up some hair gel. This is the Tresemme hair gel, and I like to put my hair in like a really slick bun sometimes, and I needed some hair gel to put these pieces back because you guys know my whole disastrous bang cutting situation, which is why these pieces are so short. So I needed to use this to like slick it back and pin it back. And I really like this. My parents use that, so I just picked another one up. And to go with that, I also bought a little rat comb. I think that's what this is called, because you guys can tell I struggle with parting my hair directly in the middle and making it a straight line, and I still struggle because I have a cowlick that never wants to go to the other side. So I bought this to help, and I think it's been getting better. I don't know, you guys tell me with how my part's looking. I think some days it looks better than others. Don't come for me, but yeah, I picked up this. It came in a 2-pack, but the other one's over there. I also picked up some scrunchies, but I honestly don't recommend these because, well, I don't recommend them if you guys have like thick hair, because when I felt it, I thought it was going to be a lot more stretchy, but it's just like it only goes up to this much, so I can barely fit my hair around it twice. And I like to put my hair around the rubber band 3 times to really make sure it's tight, because 2 is a little bit too loose, but it will not fit around 3 times. So I don't know if I need to like stretch it out or whatnot, but I did get these and I kind of regret getting that. So yeah. Another cleaning product that I picked up were some Downy Cool Cotton scent boosters. I have the Unstoppable ones right now, but I saw this huge one for only $15, and the smaller one is $10, and it's literally like a third of this size. So I was like, why don't I just get the big one? And I wanted to try a new scent, so this is a Cool Cotton. I don't know, let's see how it smells. I feel like I'll love it, you know? Yeah, I really do like the scent. It smells a very like breezy cotton scent. It kind of does smell like the Unstoppables, but you basically just throw these in. I'm sorry about that loud noise. You basically just throw these in before you wash your clothes, and then you put your clothes in and then wash it like normal with your fabric detergent. And yeah, I've been loving having these because it seriously makes my clothes just smell amazing. Even my spin clothes, like the clothes I wear to spin class, they smell so good after like I wash them. So I've been obsessed with using those. I think they're 12 out of 10. I can't imagine my life without them. They are a little pricey, but I think it's worth it. So yeah. Another thing I picked up were some liquid IV packs. I've been seeing a lot of influencers use these, and I really wanted to try it out. It's supposed to like, I don't even know, multiply your hydration. So 1 pack is equivalent to 3 glasses of water or 3 bottles of water. Not sure how true that is, but I do love the scent, or not the scent, the taste of this. It's in passion fruit, and I have used these, so I really like it. Maybe you guys can try these out if you're not a huge like fan of water, but you do want to try to drink more water. Yeah. And next 2 things I picked up were some Alani Nu energy drinks. So I got this one in cherry limeade and this one in watermelon wave. I love these drinks. They're so freaking good. I love to drink them before my spin class, like I said. I just think they give you enough energy when you're feeling like tired, but it doesn't make you feel so jittery and like you feel like your heart is about to explode. That's why I don't love taking like actual pre-workout, because it makes me feel itchy and like just weird in my skin, and I don't like that feeling. So I like these. They're like, they do get a little bit pricey, but I drink like half and then I save it and then drink another half, you know, so it's not too bad. I also went ahead and picked up some lip products. So I got this NYX lip liner in the shade Need Me. My nose is so itchy. This is what it looks like. And I got this one. This is their like lip crayon in nude beige. Honestly, I kind of like the first one better because it just is more smooth and buttery, but yeah. So I apologize if the lighting and the angle kind of switched up. I had to delete some stuff off my memory card, but I think I was talking about these two lip crayons. I like this one better because it's creamier, and then I also picked up a Maybelline lifter gloss because I've been obsessed with like lip gloss lately, and that usually never happens. So this is in the shade Ice, and it's just like a very pretty pale pink. I love the formula of these, so got these. And then last thing, this isn't from Target, but I just wanted to show it in this video because why not? I picked up this replica travel size perfume in the shade Bubble Bath. I've been wanting a replica perfume for so long, and I got this little like sampler trying kind of thing from Sephora, and you get a free little sample or travel size perfume. Does that make any sense? Anyways, I got this and I'm really excited about it. It smells amazing, and I love that it's not a roller ball, it's a spray. It smells so clean, and you guys know these are like just right up my alley, perfect for your purse. So yeah. Alright you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this insane Target haul. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all of like the little goodies I've been picking up here and there. I hope you guys are doing well. I love you guys so much, and again, I apologize for not getting back to some of you guys' comments as quickly, and if my uploading has been not as consistent as it used to be, I do apologize. I have just been really busy and also overwhelmed with life and work and whatnot, so I do hope you guys can understand where I'm coming from. I am still really trying my best to get all of this content out for you guys, and I love YouTube so much, and I can't imagine my life without it. So yeah, it's just right now I feel like I'm just going through a little rough patch in my life, and that's okay. We're gonna get through it. So yeah, thank you guys again for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!